In this video, we will use a custom cluster blueprint to deploy the NVIDIA GPU operator on an EKS cluster. We can see that we have an existing EKS cluster with two nodes. One node running an Amazon Linux AMI is for the system resources, and the other node running an Ubuntu AMI is running the GPU. We will now delete the pre-deployed NVIDIA plugin daemon set from the cluster. This will allow the GPU operator to manage and install the needed components. We can now see that we have created an add-on for the GPU operator. The operator is being pulled from the official Helm repository. This add-on is part of an existing custom cluster blueprint. We will now apply the blueprint to the cluster to deploy the GPU operator. The operator can take approximately 7 minutes to come up. Once the operator is fully running, we will deploy a GPU workload to consume the GPU on the node. We can see that the GPU and the workloads are both showing. We can then see that the integrated GPU dashboards show the utilization metrics of the GPU in an easy-to-read format.